What's up, guys? It's Brad with Tooth and Nail Automotive. This is a SOS, man. We've been trying to help North Carolina in any way that we can. We're going up there Saturday. We're going to team up with North Carolina Diesel. They're going to have the skid steer, excavator, and the side-by-side going. We do need more side-by-sides and excavator, skid steer, or four-wheeler. If you have something that we could rent from you for the weekend, it'll be Saturday, Sunday next weekend, greatly appreciated. Aside from that, if you have non-perishables or anything that can help baby formula, diapers, even like adult diapers, they're having a big problem with that up there. Cutoff's Friday at 3 p.m. You can drop off at the paint and body shop, either of the restaurants, and then South Shore Grill and Grocery. So Cafe Strudel, South Shore Grill and Grocery, and Barfield Collision Center, Tooth and Nail Automotive. Our drop-off points, cutoffs 3 p.m. Friday. Whatever you can do to help us out, man, that'd be great, because we're trying to bring it to them, man. There's a lot of people falling through the cracks because they just can't get far enough into the mountains. So we're gonna try to help. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go up to North Carolina tomorrow morning. We got the back of the truck full of donations. Back there, a lot of clothes, a lot of jackets, sleeping bags, cooking supplies, propane cookers, Instapots, stuff like that. And then we got to get the battery swapped out on the side-by-side, so we got means of transportation. Side-by-side took 3 batteries from O'Reilly's yesterday until they gave me a good battery. All right, guys, Brad and Adam, we're heading up to North Carolina finally. We got the side-by-side and all the donations that everybody gave us. Big shout out to anybody that donated to the Cafe Strudels to bring us goods so that we can bring them up to the people that need them in North Carolina, man. So we'll keep you posted. Stay along. You'll be on the journey. We'll check in later. All right, guys, we're getting close. We got an hour left. Up in here. Hey guys, almost there. We got 40 minutes. We just pulled over. We in the hills now. We in the hills now. We got all our donations. And then we got a bridge, folks, that definitely got hit by the storm. We good? What is it? This bridge is about as crooked as Joe Biden. Wait till you see this bridge. Hang on now. Hang on now. Oh my God. Look back at that bridge. That was some dumb shit. Would they have had it like crossed off? Huh? Look at that thing. Holy moly. I don't know, bro. Got it, bro. Got it, bro. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, you good. Come on with it. What's just the trucks? Wait. You got it. Come on. We got more. Come on. You got it. Come on.
How much more?
You got like. Keep cutting. Oh, turn. All right, now go that way. You got it. Are you?
Yeah, straight.
Okay.
Ready to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find those people. Where we go now, left or right? That says 847. That's a specific house number. We gotta keep going straight. About to go.
Oh,
Yo, there's a D-ring on it, isn't there? Let me see it. Here. I know there's a D-ring in this fucking thing.
right here, right?
I don't want that shit right here, dog. Unloading up here at Hope Chapel, and they do not have any more space for clothes now either, so we got to go over to Sewanee so that we can do that. But we're dropping off any of the non-clothes items that we have here in Creston, and then we'll be taking the clothes and stuff to Sewanee, because I guess they're having issues with hypothermia, and they got a lot of children up there, and they lost one child last night to it, so we're gonna bring all the clothes up there. Guys, we found an awesome little Project Hope Center. They are taking clothes, and this van is actually going straight over to Swannanoa, which they had a young child die last night from hypothermia. So I'm glad all of these kids' clothes that we have are going to be going to somewhere that needs them right now. So we're going to follow him over there. Just want to take a minute, guys, and give a big shout out to everybody who donated at the restaurants and the shop. Your dry goods, your clothes. The people that you were able to help were the kids in Swannanoa. I've been saying Sewanee or something like that this whole time. I'm sorry. It's Swannanoa. That's where all of the clothes went to. And then a lot of the other resources went to a place called Creston. Big shout out to Coker for coming through on the side-by-side. And then anybody that brought donations, big thank you. You know, we all need to do that. We all need to contribute. You know, when you can pour out a little bit of what you have into somebody else, you know, that always makes us feel good. So I think that's a part of humanity that we're missing out a lot on, is being able to give back and help others, because that fills up our souls, and that's what we're called to do here. But big shout out, thank you. Y'all stay tuned, man. Keep watching.